Do you know when the boys are getting here? I miss them.
Oh, well, Jake texted me. They said they're on their way. But we're gonna be playing video games when they get here, so you're probably just gonna be bored.
Oh my god! Wow! I've been a gamer girl my whole life. Real gamer girls don't have the time to wear makeup.
I'm not wearing any. This is my natural skin. It's so annoying. I wish I had an excuse to wear makeup like you.
Yeah, I'm a tomboy, so I don't really care about makeup or skincare like you do.
Drink. La la la. Drink. La la la.